Morning students. Let us start with today with third method of finding out LCM. In the previous video you have learned two methods to find out LCM, that is the listing method and by the prime factor method. Now this is also by prime factor method, but this is a little different. Together we find out the LCM of any given numbers. You have already learned this method to find out HCF. So today we learn how to find out with the same method LCM. See, look here, this is 27 and 42, example 1. You have to find out LCM of 27 and 42. So divide these two by prime factors, as suppose these two numbers are divisible by 3. It is not divisible by 2. So 3 9s is 27. Here 3 1s is 3. 1 is extra. So 3 4s are 12. Now 9 and 14 is remaining. Now with these two numbers 9 and 14 is not divisible by any number. Yes, miss any common number. Therefore, you can leave this up to here only. So LCM will be LCM is equal to this 3, because both the numbers are divisible by 3. So now these two numbers 9 and 14 is not divisible by any common number. So we leave it. Now this only is HCF. HCF of 27 and 42 is equal to 3. Then LCM, here only we can find out LCM. LCM of 27 and 42 will be equal to this HCF into these two numbers which are not divisible by any common number, into 9 into 14. So this is equal to HCF is 3 into 9 into 14. So it is equal to 3 9s are 27. 27 into 14, that is equal to, let us find out, into 14, 4 7 are 28, carry 2, 4 2s are 8, 9, 10. Then 1 is 7 and 2 here. So add it 3. So 378 is the answer here. In the same manner, let us take another example. Example 2. With the same method, 45, suppose 15 and 75 is there. Now, from this column, 45 you write, 15, then 75. Now you have to search for the number where these all three numbers are divisible by the common number. So, the smallest prime number 3. 45 is divisible by 3, 15 is divisible by 3, and even 75 is divisible by 3. So 3 1s is 3, carry 1, 3 5s is 50. Now 3 5s is 50. And then 3 2s is 6, carry 1, 3 5s is 50. So after dividing, 45 divided by 3 is 15, 15 divided by 3 is 5, 75 divided by 3 is 25. Now, again all these three numbers you have to see that which it is divisible by which common number. So all these numbers are divisible by 5, prime number 5. So 5 3s is 15, 5 1s is 5, and 5 5s is 25. Now here we can continue. I had stopped here only. We can continue this as in this way. Now, when you have got a 3 here, this line 15, then 5, then 1 you got. So in the same manner you have to get here also 1 1. Now this is divisible by 3 is divisible by 3 only. 3 1 is 3, this 1 let it be as it is, and this 5 you bring down as it is. Now 5 1s is 5. 1 1 as it is. Up till here it was what? Common divisible. Then we got only 3 is divided by 3, then 5 we divided by 5. So up till here this is the HCF. So therefore HCF of 45, 15 and 75 is equal to what? 3 into 5, that is equal to 15. Now what is LCM? LCM of 45, 15 and 75. This is equal to as HCF, yes, or we can write directly all these numbers, multiply it. 3 into 5 into 3 into 5 again. 3 5 is 15, 15 3 is 45, 45 into again this 5, that is equal to 5 5 is 25, carry 2, 5 4 is 20, 21, 22. So it is, the LCM here is 225. Now another example we will take, example 3. The numbers are 140, 130 and 180, suppose we take. So from the column 140 you write, 130 and 180. All these are even numbers. We can divide it by 2. 2 7 are 14, 70. 2 6 are 12, carry 1, 2 5 are 10 here. Then 2 9 is 18 and this 0. Now these two are 70 and 90 are even numbers. All these are even numbers, 140, 130, 180. So therefore we divide it by 2. Now here these two numbers are even, but this is odd. So it is not divided by prime number 2. So, but here all these three numbers are divisible by 5. Prime number 5. So 5 1s are 5, 6, 7, 2 is extra here, 5 4s are 20. Now divide is 65. 5 1s is 5, 1 is extra, keep here, it is 15. So 5 3s is 15. Then again 5 1s is 5, 4 is extra here, 5 8s are 40. Now you can see that 14, 13 and 18. These three numbers are not divisible by any common number. So that means this 2 into 5 will become the HCF here. So now we can divide until we get, like say 1 1, we can do the division. These 14 and 18 are even numbers. So we can divide 14 and 18 now by 2. 2 7 is 14, this 13 will remain as it is, 2 9 is 18. Now all three numbers are not divisible by any common number. Neither any two of them are divisible by any common number. Like 14 and 18 is divisible by 2. Now it is not at all. So we can divide it individually, that is 7 1 is 7, 13 keep it as it is, 9 and keep it as. Now 13 is a prime number, so 13 1s is 13, 9 keep it as it is. Now 9 1s are 9 as it is. It is not necessary that in this method you get every time you will get the prime numbers. You can take other numbers also. Yes. Now, so here only these two were common for all the three numbers. All the three numbers. Therefore, the product of these two numbers become the HCF. So therefore, HCF of 140, 130 and 180 is equal to 2 into 5, that is equal to 10. Then LCM of 140, 130 and 180 is equal to, write the product of all this, 2 into 5 into 2 into 7 into 13 into 9. 2 5 is 10, 10 to the 20. Yes, 20 into 7 is 140. Then into 13 into 9. So, multiply all this. 14 into 13 will multiply. 3 4s are 12, carry 1, 3 1s are 3, 4. 1 4 and 1 here. So it is 2 8 1 1 8 2. There's 0 here, put here, into 9. So it is 900. 9 2 is 18. 9 8 is 72. Carry 7. 9 1 is 9 10 16. So in this way we get the LCM of any three numbers by this method.